Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your home checker. Today we're visiting an apartment at Jing'an MRT station. This is 3 MRT stations away from Guting MRT, which is where NTNU locates. And there are 2 floors. Now we're at the rooftop, and there's 1 room, and there are several rooms downstairs. And at the back, he's our landlord of this apartment. He is Alan.
Hello.
Yeah, let's check out the rooms. So this is the rooftop. All the tenants who live in this apartment can come to this rooftop and relax and chill. And there is the room, master room on this floor, and that's private. So there's a couch and a table. You can have a drink and some greens. Yeah. All right. Okay, so this is the front door when you walk in, and it's the living room and the dining table. And there are 3 rooms at this floor, and laundry rooms and a kitchen upstairs, and also a bathroom. So let's start from the living room. So when you walk in from the front door, there's a place you can put on your shoes, and a bright big window, and a air conditioner, some shelf, and a couches, coffee table, and a TV. And here is the dining table, the room 1 and 2, and the master room right here. And here is where you can throw your garbage. Let's check out the bathroom. There's a bathtub, and a toilet, some shelf, and a mirror, and a shower, curtain. Yeah. We'll check out the laundry area right here. It's some storage space, and you can do your laundry right here. It's a washer and dryer, or you can hang your clothes here. And here is the to the kitchen. Okay, so here's the kitchen. It's the full kitchen where you can have there's the microwave, the oven, stove fan. Yeah. Okay, and the fridge, freezer, fridge. Okay, and this is the master room at the rooftop floor. Someone has taken it. Let's check out the master room downstairs. So this is the view from here, from this angle. Okay, this is the master room with your private bathroom. Alright, so from the bathroom, you have your own bathtub and a fan, exhausted fan. All works fine, all works well. And shower. So there's a big window. Here is the closet. Some more storage space, and a couch, and a coffee table, and a center double bed, and a big screen TV. Of course, an AC, and a desk and chair. And here's the window. It's very bright, have very good sunlight.